Hey everyone, my name is Amit Agarwal. Today I am going to show you the connectivity of Godrej 103, which is going to be launched in the name of Veriksha. This is on Delhi border and it is on Upper Dwarka Expressway 75 meters road. So while connectivity, showing you the connectivity from here, some projects like Shobha, Godrej Meridian and other projects will come. I'll explain you the each and everything and I'll show you the whole connectivity from here to till the project. This is that Shobha project. So once we cross the border, this is the Sobha project where few days back they have launched their 3 BHK, 4 BHK, which has already been sold. And this is in sector, this is actually sector 108 and this is in sector 109. So after crossing these sectors only that 103 is going to come. So we'll be going to that location only. So this is the roundabout. If you go towards left, then that Conscient project comes, and on the right hand side there's still Shobha. And straight now 106 is going to come where the Godrej Meridian is there. So Godrej is going to launch a luxury project. It will be a very less density, around 600 apartments only, and total is around 15 acres. So we have to go straight for this location and all. It is all bang on 75 meters road. It is connected. On the left hand side is Godrej Meridian, which they are going to get position in few months only. And after the success of Godrej Zenith, they will come with a good rate and all everything in this Godrej Veriksha. And they will be starting for EOIs within few days, and we have already started to collect the checks. The size would be something around 2100 square feet. That is a 3 BHK. 2500 square feet will be 3 BHK with servant, and that will be 4 BHK. That will be 3700 square feet. So this is the cut. If you take right hand side, you will get that M3M project Woodshire, and if you take the left hand side, this will connect you to Dwarka Expressway, so Dolta flyover, and we don't have to take any left or right. We have to go straight from here for that Godrej project. So in few days only they will be launching this project, and it will get sold very fast. And this is the last non-TOD license. And this is a non-TOD license. What is non-TOD license is that in number of families is very less, in number of this one acres per acre the number of families is very less. So you will get a good luxury over here, and they are making a like 2.5 to 3 acres around deep forest kind of area will be there. So it will have a good luxury open area and all, everything will be there, and they will give VRV and all latest amenities kind of things will be given over there. So we are going towards, you have to go straight. And the best thing about this location is that you have number of schools and over nearby. DPS is nearby, you have Heritage School, some hospitals are also there, and it is very easy connected to Old Gurgaon also. There the schools are also there, are number of good schools are there. So we have reached this location of Godrej Properties. The sales office has already been opened. So we are entering to the location. The company persons are there to help for each and everything and giving us all the details. So my name is Amit Agarwal. If you have any query about this project, do let me know. And the response is very good, because after a long time a good project is going to come, and that too being a listed company, Godrej. So yes, it is not going to wait for a longer time. Within 2 to 3 days only the project will get sold out. So this is the sales gallery, and this is the particular exact location where the project is going to come. So you can see number of cars are already there. So people have already started taking a brief description, details about the project and all, and it is not going to last for a longer time. So if anyone is interested in this project, we have a team. You can come over here. We'll give you details of each and everything. Again, I'll give you the whole details about this project. They are coming with 3 BHK, that is 2100 square feet approx, 3 BHK with servant, that will be 2500. 4 BHK will be 3700 square feet. Number of towers will be 6. Total area is 15 acres. It is on Upper Dwarka Expressway 75 meters road, well connected to 75 meters road. And luxury in the terms of, like, they will be coming with My1 technology, amenities and all, everything will be good. And VRV will be there, and there will be a deep forest in between. So you have a good area to play, you have a good area, the air purification and all, everything will be there. So this is going to be a luxury project. And if you want any details about this project, do let me know. My number is visible. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, you please subscribe my channel so that you can get latest information about this project. And don't miss this project. If you have a budget around, and starting will be something around 4.5 CR to 7.7 CR approx. And my number is visible. You can WhatsApp me, you can call me anytime, and I'll be very happy to take you to the location and give you each and every details. Being a Godrej project, you'll get a good return. They will have a good payment plan also. Thanking you so much. Thank you.